Hi, Vito. What is that?
That's like a caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Oh, it will bite?
No.
No. Good boy ba yan?
Yeah.
So, what will it become when grow up?
Butterfly.
Very good. Very good. So, may I see what's that? Oh, it's moving, ha? I will remove the air muna, ha? Okay. Let me see. Still alive?
Yes. It's
Wow.
still,
You're not afraid?
yeah.
Wow.
It's still moving, but yeah, it's
How
but
many all of them? Can you count?
1, 2, 3.
Very
No,
good.
1,
3.
2, 5.
5.
1,
You're
2,
joking
3,
me.
4, 5.
Wow, it's so many, ah. But I can see only 3. 1, 2, 3. I will see it close up. Oh my. Are you not scared?
Yeah.
Why? You're a brave boy.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
It's moving.
It's moving. Still, it's moving. And eating the leaves, no?
Yeah.
That is their food?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's whole.
Yeah,
It's
and
full
they
in
will become a very beautiful butterfly when they grow up, no?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So you put it inside the jar, Bito? Oh, why you put it inside the jar?
But it's between butterfly, but put us a jar and return butterfly. And the
Okay.
caterpillar is turn butterfly and the just
Wow, okay. We will wait for to become butterfly. Oh, that's the butterfly with the wings. Okay, and then they will fly.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will wait for it to become butterfly, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is big part the morning early in the morning?
Okay, what color do you want them to be?
Blue, brown, blue, yellow, red,
Wow, very beautiful butterfly with
and
color
yellow and blue.
color red, yellow, brown. Ah, that's a very good
Blue
butterfly.
and brown.
And brown. Okay.
Yes, I like what red blue.
Okay. Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Playing with my stones, the other one. Okay.